In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Substack tags so your posts are easier for readers to discover and navigate. We'll start right at the beginning on the Substack homepage and go all the way through to publishing your tagged article. By the end, you'll know exactly where tags live, how to choose them, and how to create your own. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account so you can access your publication dashboard. Once you're on your main Substack home, you'll see options for managing your publication and writing new content. Today, I'll show you how to begin a new piece that will use tags. Look for the button or link labeled Create. This is usually located near the top of the page in your dashboard area. Go ahead and click Create. Substack will give you a few different content types to choose from. From here, you'll learn how to set up a standard article, which is the most common type of post where tags are most useful. When you see the content options, click on Article. This opens the Substack editor where you'll be doing all your writing and formatting. Now, before you start typing the body of your post, it's a good idea to set up the basics. At the top of the editor, you'll see fields for your title and usually a subtitle or description. Click into the title field and type the main headline for your piece. Then, if there's a subtitle or optional description field, add a short sentence that gives readers a bit more context. Clear titles and subtitles make it easier for your tags to work alongside them because together they signal what your article is about. Once your title and subtitle are in place, you can start writing your article in the main body area. Click into the large text box and begin drafting your content. You can write as much as you need here. Don't worry if the draft isn't perfect yet. You can always come back and revise before you send it out. When you're happy with your draft, or at least ready to move toward publishing, look for the Continue button, usually located near the top or bottom of the editor. Click Continue to move into the next screen, where Substack lets you finalize details like your audience, schedule, and tags. I'm going to walk you through how to find the tags section on this publishing screen. As you scroll through the options, look for a section labeled Tags or Topics. It's typically grouped with other metadata like publication settings or audience options. This is where you'll connect your article to specific themes or subjects. I'll show you the easiest way to actually apply those tags. In the tags area, you'll usually see suggestions based on previous posts or a field where you can type. You can select existing tags from the list or start typing a word or phrase like productivity, fiction, or crypto. If Substack doesn't find a match, it will give you the option to create a new tag with that name. Choose or create a few clear, relevant tags that genuinely describe your article. This helps readers find similar posts later and keeps your publication organized. Once your tags are selected and everything else looks good, you're ready to publish. Review your settings briefly, then click the Send button to send your article to subscribers and publish it on your Substack. Your piece will now go out with the tags you chose attached, making it easier for readers to browse related content and for new readers to discover your work through those topics.